Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Cane & Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Quickmilk Vertrano espresso machine. It comes to us in very bad shape. It was leaking all the time from the vacuum release valve and leaked in the tray. So I believe at that point when it was leaking, the customer was using it and keep using it, and it sucks some milk here, so it get burned inside the steam boiler, and it was like really full of the scale. And I found it was like a clogged from the group head, and the gasket was like almost gone. And this is the old shower screen. Look how it's like clogged. And so I made tune up to the machine, and I serviced the steam one. The simply it was like whenever you use it, it's like not moving well. There's the steam now. It works perfect, no sound. It was like even a bad sound. And even this one, I didn't mention it in the estimate, and I also serviced it. But the machine still have some like little bit of the smell. I descale it like around 5 times, and many times like rinse the water, try to clean it up, but still have some, like by the time hopefully is that smell gone. But now let's test it and made an espresso shot in it. This is not the original portafilter, I just borrowed it from another machine. So yeah, and after replace the vacuum release valve, this is the old one. It's like the leak gone and everything looks perfect. So let's go ahead and make an espresso shot in it. This is not the original portafilter, and this portafilter also needs to be clean, but it looks like making a great shot. It's nice with thick crema and tasty too. So I believe we did test the hot water. That's cool. And the steam. Steam perfect. And it's a clean. And I forget to mention, this machine comes to me like it's collected together, the panels and everything, with double face. There was no screws. I only found one screw. So I get the original right screws for it, and I tied it, and it's perfect, good to go now. Thank you for watching.